Pensions and investments at risk from a double bubble. And that double bubble being gold and tech stocks. That's the headline from the Times newspaper. So pretty important, you'd think, because if nothing else, a lot of people are going to read that and see it. Gold could fall back, tech stocks could fall back. Well, most people aren't exposed to gold, and gold falling back rarely leads to a knock-on effect for the market. Usually gold rises because of other worries. So I'm not worried about the gold bit. Tech stocks. Yes, there's a degree of concentration in the markets. However, because of the nature of stock markets and tripwires that have been put in, circuit breakers that have been put in since various financial crises, the worst of what can happen, if you think of 1987, you think of 2000 dot-com bubble, financial crisis, the worst that can happen is that the falls happen very quickly. However, the circuit breakers are there to stop that and to trigger a halt in trading until calmer heads come about. So what do we actually mean by a crash? Do we still mean a 20-25% drop? Yes. But we mean it over a longer period of time, like 2022, where the S&P fell 25%, but didn't happen overnight. So if your definition of a crash is something happening overnight or in a very short space of time, that is impossible by the nature of how prices are set. Does that mean a stock can't drop 25% in a day or in a minute? Of course it can. I'm talking about the index level, 25%, okay, which would be a crash. Now, if it happens over a period of time, why is that not a crash? The reason it's not a crash, and you can't stop prices readjusting over a long period of time, we're just trying to stop panic selling like 1929 and people jumping out of windows. The reason that's not a crash is because you've got time to exit. In other words, what the regulators would maintain and the exchanges is what's called an orderly market. So when people say, "Are you worried there's a crash coming?" Well, I'm not worried that markets can fall because they always do. That's like saying, "Are you worried it might rain in the next year?" And I'm not worried that they could fall fast because the kind of stocks that I have and the indices that I have, in the case of indices, it can't happen fast anyway. Circuit breakers, also the nature of indices. And in the stocks that I own, they're the type where if they do fall 25-30%, they'd be in buy territory for me. So either way, am I worried? No. The thing that worries me the most are headlines like that, which are meant to grab people's attention and get them to read newspapers. That's not investing. If you've liked this video, please save it, because on TikTok, that boosts the algorithm to send it to more people. The more people who see it, the more I will do of these. So please comment as well. If you just take half a second to comment, even if it's an emoji, the algorithm boosts it. I get more viewers. I'll do more of these. Fair swap, I think. Thank you.